Introduction, A Journey of Awakening. What does sovereignty have to do with financial freedom? We break down how mastering the concept of sovereignty and setting up trusts can provide you with true financial independence. Ready to take control of your wealth? Correcting your legal status, the birth certificate process. One of the key steps in awakening is correcting your legal status. The difference between a regular birth certificate and a certificate of live birth, with the latter contains more detailed information. This certificate plays a pivotal role in the creation of trusts and bonds. Get the original certificate of live birth from your state, have it authenticated, and begin the process of filing documents with the courts to reflect your new status. Footnote. This section explains the significance of the certificate of live birth and how to use it to correct your legal status, a crucial step in setting up trusts and other legal entities. The power of UCC and trusts. How the UCC, Uniform Commercial Code, plays a key role in asserting one's legal rights and correcting status. The process of filing a UCC-1 form to claim ownership of assets, as well as creating a trust to protect personal assets from the system. By understanding the definitions of words in legal documents, you are able to successfully navigate courtrooms and assert your rights without further interference from the legal system. Footnote. The power of the UCC and how to use it to protect your assets and establish a trust, highlighting the importance of understanding legal definitions in navigating the system. Discharging debt and claiming money back. Valuable tips on how to discharge debts, including car finance, utility bills, and even child support, by using specific IRS forms like the 1099-A and 1099-C. A 1099-A form is used to acquire or claim abandoned property, while a 1099-C can be used to cancel debt. Jacob emphasizes that individuals have the power to claim the value of their deposits and discharge loans using these forms, an empowering tactic for those who understand how the system operates. Footnote. This section covers how to use IRS forms, such as the 1099-A and 1099-C, to discharge your debts and claim money back, providing actionable advice for listeners to apply in their own lives. The role of sovereignty in legal and financial freedom. The importance of understanding sovereignty, how it relates to personal identity, freedom from the state, and financial independence. Once individuals realize they are not bound by the state's jurisdiction and the fraudulent systems in place, they can reclaim control over their lives and assets. How learning about sovereignty will allow you to challenge the legal system and live life on your own terms. Footnote. This section emphasizes the concept of sovereignty and how it can empower you to take control of your identity and finances, enabling you to live free from state control. Conclusion: moving forward with financial freedom. Take action and start researching the information for yourself. Read legal documents carefully, learn the definitions of key terms, and take control of their financial situation by using the tools and strategies discussed. The message is clear: the power is already within you, and by understanding the system, you can free ourselves from its grasp. Footnote. The conclusion urging you to take control of your financial freedom by researching and understanding the legal tools available to you.